Up to 1,500 birds flew into some of Philly's tallest skyscrapers one day last week. The slaughter shook bird watchers. Stephen Maciejewski dropped to a knee on a Center City sidewalk Wednesday morning and gently scooped up a yellow-billed cuckoo that had smashed into a skyscraper and died on its way to Central America or the West Indies. "This probably happened yesterday," said Maciejewski, a 71-year-old retired social worker and volunteer for Audubon, Pennsylvania. He labeled a plastic bag with the time, date, and location, tucked the slim migrator into it, and continued his rounds. Maciejewski gets emotional when he speaks about all the birds he finds, but nothing, he says, prepared him for what happened Friday. "So many birds were falling out of the sky. We didn't know what was going on," he said, choking up. "It was a really catastrophic event. The last time something like this happened was in 1948. On Friday, an estimated 1,000 to 1,500 birds flew into buildings in a 3.5-block radius of Center City overnight and into early morning during what Maciejewski called a perfect storm of avian calamity. That could mean thousands more likely perished elsewhere in the city, he estimated. He collected 400 birds between 5 and 8 a.m. in the radius he regularly covers, roughly spanning 17th to 19th Streets between Market Street and JFK Boulevard, an astonishing number, according to an Audubon, Pennsylvania official.